And just like beautiful, secure beach. The place was made of like white walls and like surrounded with like trees and then the ocean.
Oh, beautiful.
Right in the backyard, like immediate sand ocean. And just like you hear the waves and you feel the rain. And it's warm and it's hot during the day and it's warm at night. It's never cold. You can just be. And it's just nice during this calm and
yes,
and
so
and it rains. So then in the morning it's like that rain, dewy, warm, but it's hot, but you can stand it type of just type of vibe. It was a vibe. You just wear flowy clothes. You don't want to put no clothes on. Why?
Right.
Just let's go. You just want to be free. Like, it was so nice.
My boy was definitely free.
And you just listen to this nice soothing music. You pop your earphones in. I would be listening to music all the time. Just like feeling like natural disasters. It's just like just singing all the songs. Just getting in the vibe. Get dressed. You wake up, take a shower, get ready, brush up to do everything just to go downstairs in the beach and in the coconuts and the whichever you're doing. You got your computer and you just doing whatever. The wind is blowing. People come and say, hey, talking, socializing. It's just cool.
Everybody just vibing, doing their own thing during the day. And at night, it's like an unspoken, everybody just came together.
Yes.
That was dope. And then how it was like new people, and it was just like all family anyway. Like, it was just like everybody immediately gel.
And then they tell you memories. This guy, oh. And they got like drinks that they name. Yay. And they like tell you stuff like this is what we do for this and like that, and it's just so much. And it's different people from different places telling you things. It's like, oh, it was really sweet. It's really nice. It was just so chill. It was so chill. Just lay across that couch. Let the breeze, listen to the ocean. Do whatever. Had a fan, just blow on you, just. And then you're like, I'm gonna go get something to drink. What's in there? And when I'm saying something to drink,